Hi, this is Neutral Way and net ID is ZN2036. I'm doing question 7 in homework 9. So let's start. Show that the random telephone signal is a strict sense stationary process. So we know the strict sense stationary process, we should it should satisfy that if we shift the time, the probability of the two are equal. If we write this condition, we can say we want to show the probability y t n t sub 1 equals y sub 1. This should be equal to the probability when the Tn shift epsilon equals to Yn. So if we want to prove it, we should prove it's only associated with the difference, the difference of two time. So now we know we should improve this is established for any n and t and epsilon. Okay, and we know the probability y Tn equals 1 when t sub 1 minus 1 equals 1. In lecture, we prove that this is equal to the probability y Tn equals 1 and this means in this interval the signal arrived is the number of signal arrived is even. So you can see if start is 1, if here is Tn and here is Tn minus 1. If in Tn minus 1 it also the value is still 1, we need at least 2 signal or 4 or 6. In conclusion, we need even number of signals, so we can get the result is okay. And this is we already know in lecture. And then don't remember don't forget, we have to get this formula. So we write it down. And this can be written in this way. Use a conditional probability formula. Times and then the last item is the probability t1 equals to 1. So here we can see this is a random process. So at the beginning, we don't know we start from 1 or -1. So the probability should be a half. So we know the probability of the start. And you can see from the result we get above, we can present every atom in this formula. So I will write it down. Here is many atoms, and the relationship is multiplication. And the last atom is a half. So here we can see we are only worried about the difference between the closer two items. So you can see here we have write this down as this form. And the second formula, we can present it because it has been shifted in one towards one direction with the epsilon, but in differences, the epsilon will be reduced. So it also can be read as this way. In the end, we prove this formula is right. And in other words, this random telephone signal is strict sense stationary process. Thanks for watching.